I'm just thinking it's not quite football weather.
It's not.
I want to enjoy summer baseball. Let's not rush summer away. As we look at a little more of a summer-like forecast, it's still fairly smoky outside, hazy conditions. That's what we're first working through before we even think about maybe the forecast for two-a-days. I think that's going to be next month where we have those practices to where we're there morning, night. We're out there all the time. But if you are outside, you're going to notice a look a little bit similar to what we had yesterday. This is not low cloud cover. This is not really fog. This is just the smoke that we have. You can at least see out there through the Maumee a little bit, but it has improved since yesterday. I am mindful, though, that we are still going to be looking at more smoke as we go into tomorrow, because for today, you're going to find that we still have some of that haze. We're into that lighter blue color, so that's where we're going to be for your Wednesday. As we go into Thursday, though, you're going to see that more smoke is going to be pivoting in with that northeast or northeasterly wind still setting up. So as we go into tomorrow morning, you're going to notice that's kind of the bulk of it, because the heaviest and most dense part of this smoke that is going to be off into eastern Ohio. So we're going to have that around Cleveland, maybe even towards Erie, Pennsylvania. So if you have plans that take you east tomorrow, just be mindful. You are going to definitely notice a difference as far as air quality going east. Of course, we will be watching here at home, but we will not have the bulk of that in our Thursday forecast. The wildfires also are aiding as far as this dry stretch. Yesterday was the 17th day that we have not seen any rainfall. Of course, in May, we were below, and now we are still looking at, well, getting close to maybe some record-setting dry days here. So today would be our 18th dry day, because we're not looking at a lot of water in the forecast for today, tomorrow, or Friday. As we get into the weekend, Sunday's our best chance for picking up on that rainfall. We're watching the timing as the speed that's altered a little bit, but at least we are talking rain in the forecast. You'll find as we go into next week, still a little moisture trying to hang into the forecast. But as far as the weekend, I know Sunday is not ideal timing to talk wet weather, but you are going to find Saturday, it's going to be mainly dry, warm. Sunday, because we have the rain, we'll have highs that are going to be into the mid-70s. So Saturday, if you have a graduation party, you should still be in good shape. Watch radar, though, on Sunday. For today, though, 77 is your high. We're going to keep it a little bit cooler because we'll have those hazy skies, and also just with that northeast setup, that's going to allow us to see the smoke, and that'll play with our temperatures. You're going to find that we're still in the mid-70s by Thursday, and then we have 80s as we go into our weekend. So that, though, isn't going to last all that long. The wet weather keeps us into the 70s, and we're still watching a little bit of a warming trend as we get into the end of the forecast.
So there's a chance, a real chance for rain.
Yes, I keep watching this to see the timing now, because this is actually getting real that we have the chance for rainfall. It's so odd that we haven't talked about it in over 2 weeks.
Yeah, we need it at this point, Diane.